Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not telling you what to do. You do your own research, you make your own decisions. So Tesla was up $2.50, 0.33%, 759.49. Post-market, we are up 1 cent. So what does this look like on the chart? So we have a green candle, and we had this resistance right here. Look at how this resistance just fits this candle here, and this candle here almost perfectly. So it's not a coincidence. Stock behave in pattern. So this was a descending pattern. So the stock was making lower highs, and now it stopped making lower high, because if you compare this candle with yesterday's candle, so the high was right here and the high of today is right here, the low of today is here, and the low of yesterday was here. So we are no longer part of this downward slope, and we are still part of this upward slope. So you can do it in different ways. You can do it like this. So I am touching these two candles here, and what is not a coincidence yet again is the fact that the same slope is happening here. See? Coincidence? I think not. So we had a bull trend within this bear trend within this longer bull trend. So patterns are intertwined one into the other, just like fractals. A fractal, you have a fractal inside a fractal and everything. But basically, we broke out of this short-term downward trend. The pattern says that when this happens, we are either going sideways or either going like this. So we have this resistance here that the stock has pretty much taken into consideration, because look at this here, look at this here, look at this here. So this is following this line. So we don't have any experience or any proof that the stock is not going to obey this time again. So if the stock is going higher a little bit, then we can say that 770 is in the realm of possibility. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see what happened during the day. So it was a hard day for Tesla in terms of this downward resistance. So we opened right here, crossed it, then went back down, tried again, and also touched this other resistance, this other very short-term resistance that I drew here, and then went back down. So we tried a lot, and during the last hour, boom, we crossed both, boom, boom, and we closed above. And look at the volume here. So some people were waiting for the end of the day to start buying. So the last 2 hours of the day have significant volume, as the first hour of the day also. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let me remove all of this. We don't need that. I just did that for educational perspective. So let's look at our indicators. 94.88, super strong. RSI is good. MACD is also crossed over bullish. DMI, okay, we see that the green line of DMI is caving in a little bit, but so is the red line of DMI, which expresses the bearishness. Nothing too bad there. So this is what we have. So we are outside of this downward trend, and we are into this approximate upward channel. So this is quite steep, so I don't think it's gonna last a long time. But this is what we have for now. So this is the play area of the stock. So you can make your strategies around that accordingly. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.